Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best shirt folding board is probably one of the most time-saving and efficient ways to fold your shirts, transforming a tedious chore into a quick and satisfying task. Whether you're a busy professional, a meticulous organizer, or simply someone who appreciates perfectly folded clothes, this simple yet ingenious device will change the way you approach laundry day, ensuring that your shirts are not only neatly folded but also wrinkle-free and ready to wear, saving you valuable time and effort while adding a touch of elegance to your closet organization. Number 5. BoxLegend V3 Shirt Folder. Tired of messy clothes? This innovative folder makes folding clothes a breeze. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use, saving you valuable time and effort. Made from high-quality PP material, it's built to last. It can withstand more than 50,000 folds, ensuring years of reliable use. You'll get a great return on your investment. From thin shirts to thick towels, it folds them all perfectly. It handles various sizes and fabrics, making it a versatile addition to any home. With simple steps, you can achieve perfectly folded clothes every time. It creates a uniform size for easy storage and a neat appearance. It folds compactly for easy storage when not in use. It's designed to minimize space usage without compromising its functionality. It's perfect for small spaces. With over 10 years of experience and 8 professional designs, it's engineered for perfection. It's the ultimate solution for all your clothing folding needs, regardless of size. What we like? It's made of a super strong material that can withstand tons of use. This means it will last for years, saving you money in the long run. If you need a board that can handle all your clothes and will last, this is the one for you. What people say? It's durable, yet lightweight material makes it easy to handle, and the enhanced hinges ensure smooth folding action every time. The design is intuitive, allowing for shirts, pants, and even towels to be folded to a uniform size in just a few simple steps. What sets the BoxLegend apart is its ability to consistently produce neatly folded garments quickly. This not only saves time but also maximizes wardrobe and drawer space. Number 4. Shirt Folder Laundry Board. Tired of messy clothes piles? This innovative folder makes quick work of organizing your wardrobe. It's simple to use and built to last. Made from high-quality PP composite material, it's tough, resists aging, and will serve you well for years to come. Enjoy its reliable performance. Say goodbye to overflowing drawers and closets. It effortlessly folds shirts, sweaters, pants, even towels, creating a neat and organized space. No assembly needed. Its 2 silicone buckles keep it securely together, even with bumps and knocks. Anyone can use it with one hand. At just 1.3 pounds, it's easy to store in a drawer or suitcase. Take it with you when you travel and maintain that organized look. It folds clothes of all sizes neatly and consistently. Transform your wardrobe with minimal effort and maximum impact. What we like? This one is built to last and can take a beating. The simple design makes folding a breeze for everyone. If you're looking for a durable and easy-to-use shirt folder that's easy to store, this is a great option. What people say? Makes folding my sweaters and t-shirts much easier and storing so space-saving. Works as well as advertised. Makes folding shirts a breeze. It's lightweight, durable, and incredibly easy to use. After a quick YouTube tutorial, I was folding shirts like a retail pro in seconds. Everything comes out looking neat and uniform, which not only saves me time but also makes my closet look way more organized. Number 3. BoxLegend Shirt Folder V2. Say goodbye to messy drawers and hello to perfectly folded clothes in seconds. It's so easy to use, anyone can create professional-looking folds. This innovative board makes folding clothes a breeze. Just place your garment on it and follow the simple steps for consistently neat folds every time. Neatly folded clothes save you valuable space in your closet or drawers. It's perfect for maximizing storage, especially in smaller homes. Made from high-quality, upgraded PP material, it's built to withstand daily use. It's durable and strong, ensuring years of reliable service. It's not just for shirts. Use it to fold a variety of clothing items, including shirts, sweaters, pants, and more. Achieve a professional, polished look for your clothes. It's perfect for anyone, from busy individuals to small business owners. What we like. It is made from premium materials, ensuring a long-lasting product that will keep your clothes looking their best. It helps you save space and makes your clothes look amazing. If you value quality and want clothes that look professionally folded, this is perfect for you. What people say. The design is simple yet effective. The durable plastic is sturdy and well constructed, ensuring it holds up even with frequent use. My shirts come out perfectly folded every single time, all neat and uniform. This makes folding t-shirts much easier and quicker. It also means that they look far more uniform when put away. The quality of the folder is high. I can imagine that it will last more or less forever. Number 2. T-shirt folding board. Tired of messy piles of laundry? This innovative board makes folding clothes a breeze. It's quick, easy, and perfect for everyone in the family. Made from high-quality PP material, it's built to withstand daily use. You'll enjoy its strength and durability for years to come. Folding clothes has never been easier. Simply place your garment on the board and follow the simple steps. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can fold a whole pile. From t-shirts and pants to dresses and pajamas, it handles a wide variety of clothing. It's the ultimate solution for all your folding needs. It's lightweight and easily hangs for storage. When not in use, it folds compactly, saving you valuable space. This board is the perfect solution for anyone who wants to save time and effort while folding clothes. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This is a durable and easy-to-use folding board that you can take anywhere. It folds neatly for storage and even has a hook for hanging. If you're looking for a convenient and portable option, this is the one for you. What people say. Delivery was quick, and it's very easy to use. Even the grandkids are able to help with folding. Makes folding so much easier and allows more space in my drawers and closet. This device is easy to use and allows me to fold more clothes, more neatly and a lot faster. Well made, well designed, the hinges that get the most movement are designed to take it. This will last many years. Number 1. Sealegend V1 Shirt Folder. Say goodbye to messy drawers and hello to perfectly folded clothes. It's the easiest way to organize your wardrobe. Made from durable, high-quality PP plastic, it's built to last. It's also reusable and environmentally friendly. Folding clothes has never been faster or easier. Get perfectly uniform folds in under 5 seconds. It's perfect for all types of clothing, from t-shirts and pants to dresses and more. Organize your entire wardrobe with ease. Spend less time folding and more time enjoying your life. It's the ultimate time-saving solution for busy individuals. Keep your clothes neatly organized while traveling. It's lightweight and easy to pack, making it the perfect travel companion. Quickly and easily organize your clothes when the seasons change or you need to store items away. It helps keep everything neat and tidy. What we like. It folds your clothes in seconds and is made from sustainable materials. It's perfect for quickly organizing your wardrobe. If you value speed and sustainability, this is the ideal choice. What people say. My husband's shirts are all nice and neat on the shelves in his closet. The hinges seem to be holding up well. Was able to open up space in the closet once I folded all the t-shirts. Looks and feels tidy. This does just that. No assembly required. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.